Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log out of Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log out of your Messenger, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Messenger app. Once you have done this, tap on the menu option, and once you have done this as well, you can go to your settings. So once you're in your settings, simply scroll down below and go to password and security. After going to password and security, tap on password and security once again. Simply scroll down below and tap on where you are logged in. Once you find it, go to your profile. After doing this, you can simply select devices to get logged out from. So once you have done this, you will be logged out from that particular device in which Messenger is logged in. So this is how you can selectively log out from Messenger in any device that you are logged in into. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.